Hi, lovelies. Welcome to Nana's recipe. Come make coconut pasta with me while I give you a gist. Now, before we go into the gist, I want to thank you, my subscribers. Thank you so much for your support. It means a lot to us. And for those of you that have not subscribed, I'm looking at you with side eye. Why haven't you subscribed? Please hit the subscribe button, support this channel, and we promise to bring you amazing contents. Okay? Now, let's get right into the gist. So in my home country, after you graduate from the university, you have the opportunity to serve your country for a year in any location that they deem fit to post you to. So I was posted to this remote location. I met amazing people, integrated with the community, and then I had the roommates that came few weeks after I had arrived, and we were talking, we got to know each other, and I felt like, okay, I could relate with this person on certain level, not until I started noticing some patterns or a mindset with her way of Christianity or belief or spirituality, let me use the word. And then it got so terrible that when she's praying at night, she's stomping her feet on the bare floor. And at that time, we didn't have a bed frame, so our foams were on the bare floor. And she's stomping her feet, praying, vibrating. And I'm like, girl, you need to reduce this, at least the stomping of the feet, so that I can have a good sleep. And she looked at me and felt like, you can't come and be the devil in my, prayers. And I said, okay, no problem. But it just intensified everything. She started seeing me as someone that is not spiritual enough for her and all that, and it just became worse. In fact, the experience was so traumatic for me that I had to let my family know what I was going through, and even spoke to the lodge president at the time that, look at what's happening. I need you to have a conversation with this lady. And when anybody tries to bring up the concern with her, it just intensified everything. Like, the stomping got so serious. She's praying and binding whosoever. Definitely not me. So, but the last straw that broke the camel's back for me was when I went home to see my parents and I made a new hairdo. I came back to the lodge, and after the next morning, I went to shower to prepare for work. And by the time I came back, I noticed that oil was sprinkled on my bed, the walls where my foam was, my corner. And I was like, who did this? I obviously know she was the one, because at that time she was in the room, and she looked at me. I was like, what did I come to do to her at night? That I came to strangle her, that I think I would win and all that. I used my head to strangle her. I'm like, whoa. Anti-spirituality, please calm down. Don't tell me that. She said she will give me a holy slap. I said, you dare not. Like, whatever is wrong with you, please deal with it on your own. Don't just bring that negativity around me. And it's just intensified, shouts and all. Eventually, I just told myself, you know what, you've been patient with this lady, just ignore that she's going through stuff that she's dealing with, so just ignore her. That was how I ignored, though, till I passed out of the camp. But I can tell you that I saw way. But in all, I thank God it was a learning curve for me. So please like, subscribe, leave a comment, and let me know what you think about my gist. Bye.